What is going on, guys? My name is Cesar and I'm here to help you make money online from your home. Now in this video I'm going to show you the best way to find affiliate marketing offers in 2023. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end, guys, because I'm going to share with you a free bonus and also how you can get access to a private network so you can promote an awesome affiliate marketing product. First of all, let me show you some of my results from this private network. As you can see in the screen, I earned here $903, $161. It's possible to make money online with affiliate marketing, guys. Now, let me show you here an example of an affiliate network. This is Clickbank. This is a well-known affiliate network. And if we click here on Marketplace, you will find a lot of categories that you can promote. For example, here we have computers, e-business, e-marketing, green products, health and fitness, spirituality, self-help, sports, travel, and many examples. If we click here on top offers, we'll find the most trending product on Clickbank, Exipure. So this is a healthy weight loss product. And something cool about this product or offer is that they have an affiliate page. That means that you can use all of these resources in your campaign. You have here emails, your links, graphics, and many more things, as you can see. Now let me show you. This is another example, JVZOO. You can find more products here to promote. Share a sale is another example. And this is the last one, OfferBot. Here you'll find networks that you can use. You can see here we have more examples. So what is the best way, or how is the best way to start affiliate marketing in 2023? So let me show you, guys. First of all, you need a product, right? And once you have your product or the product that you are going to promote, you need to create something like this one, an opt-in page, because you're going to use this page to collect leads. Here we have the traffic that you need to drive to the opt-in page. Then you're going to redirect the subscriber or the lead to your affiliate marketing offer. And here it comes the best part. You need to do an email sequence. Day 1, you're going to send an email. Day 2, day 3, and day 4. And here you are going to send your offer to your leads. And this is the best way to start affiliate marketing in 2023. Now, if you want to get access to this private network, guys, I'm going to show you this ebook. This is the 7 steps to becoming a super affiliate. And as you can see on the screen, the first step is choosing your niche. Second step, picking the perfect product. The third step, create your passive income system. And we have here more information that you can use. And the most important thing is put this information into practice, right? Now, if you want to get access to this ebook, guys, I'm going to put a link in the description below. The only thing you need to do is click on that link, put your name, your email address, and I'm going to send it to you, this ebook, and then I'm going to send you access so you can start promoting this awesome product, guys. Now, thanks for being here. If you like this information, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you in the next training. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.